good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this YouTube channel from that goes by the name Rich Person. So today it's raining, like we say here, it's raining cats and dogs, really raining. And because I was in the house, I thought I should capture the moment of how we harvest the water, because sometimes we get shortage of water supply in our town, and therefore I thought I should bring you along and watch how we harvest the water for home use in our tanks. It's a beautiful experience. And yes, I'm under the umbrella. I am not being rained on, so I'm taking care. I'm covering myself. I have a poncho. I have my hat with me. So no water. I'm sorted out. Yeah, it's a short video, and I thought, why not share it with my subscribers? Yeah, let me show you how we harvest water. As you can see, it has been raining since morning, and this is my tank. Not a big tank, but this is how I harvest my water. It doesn't get lost. Okay, some do, because you can see some are flowing down there, but you can see the plants have sprouted after the rains. You can see how green the environment is. I'm enjoying watching this amazing experience. Just watching the water flowing into my tank. It was actually half, but the rain has been so much, and you can see God's blessings. These are God's blessings. You don't have to buy, because at times we buy a jerrycan of 20 liters. We buy it at $0.2. Yeah, because, okay, the one bringing us the water has to also get something from carrying the water up to where we stay. That's why we buy at that particular amount. Yeah, look at this beautiful the way the water is flowing is beautiful. You see how it is falling all the way from the gutters. These are the gutters. You know, it's like watching a waterfall. It's a beautiful feeling, a sight to behold. I don't know about you, but to me, some of little things make me happy. I get so excited just watching the water falling. Just watching the drop, how it's dropping. It's actually raining heavily, but just watching it fall, and even to the full brim in the tank, this mesmerizes me. There are things I like watching. Therapeutic sort of thing, sort of feeling, peaceful. I don't know about you, but there are things, just watching some of these things, like water dropping into a tank, there is that amazing feeling. I don't know about you, but my tank is not that big. Though I have another one at the back of the house, and I've filled some of the items where I store my water for use when the taps have no water. Because like I said, there are days we don't get the water from the counties, from the municipality. I don't know what you call in your countries. You can tell me. You can write to me in the comment section below how you harvest your water, how you get your water. Like, do you miss some days? Do you go without water in some of the days in your towns, in your states? In the case of United States of America, do you go with some days without water? Here in Kenya, there are days we go without water, a day or two. I don't know what normally happens. I don't know. I've never actually known the reason for rationing water supply. Maybe, I don't know. But what I know, when that happens, you have enough, because water is life. So many things you cannot do without water. You have to shower, you have to wash clothes, for the toilets, water is life. And therefore we have to have stock, you have to have storage, extra storage for use when that happens. Yeah. So I'm continuing to enjoy the awesome view of just having the water dropping all the way from the gutters. It's raining heavily. Like I said, you can see the weather. It's been raining heavily, but it's an amazing experience just watching waterfall from above. This harvesting water is an amazing feeling to me. Peaceful, calming, therapeutic. I don't know how you think about it, but it's an amazing feeling. Maybe I drift a lot. I drift a little bit and show you how my kitchen garden is doing, how it's being watered also. I love my garden. I drifted a little to just look at my kitchen garden, how it's being watered, how it's receiving the rains. how it's sprouting upon the receive of the blessings of the Lord. Yeah, let me continue watching this amazing experience. It's cold, very cold, but I've kept myself warm while enjoying while while enjoying this beautiful waterfall. Look at everything. Look at the rain. Look at the weather. But I want to concentrate on the water that is falling, because to me it's therapeutic. Have you ever been to a waterfall place? Yes, that's what I'm talking about. That calming, relaxing, peaceful. That is how you feel. That's how I'm feeling. Just watching water dropping into my tank. It's a wonderful feeling. Just watching this experience. Just experiencing this is heavenly. And you know this is God's blessings. This is not man-made. Because with men, we contribute to destroying the environment by cutting trees. So, and where they don't receive so much rain, it's as a result of man-made. But when you don't cut trees, this is what you experience. Heavy rainfall, not destruction, not soil erosion, but as a result, you have foods everywhere. There is food. Look at this. I don't know about you, but this is an awesome experience. Just standing here, watching raindrops. Such a beautiful feeling. Exhalating beauty of the rains. But then I get so amazed by God's creation. From the rain, surely God loves us, and we should love Him too. For His works are amazing. He loves us. That's why He gives us rain, He gives us sunshine, the moon, the sun. This is God's work, God's amazing work. Man is only here sometimes to destroy what God has created. Look at this. Amazing beauty of watching raindrops. Amazing experience. It is not a big tank, but enough to hold water, storage of my water. When those days where there is no water, when the government does the water rationing, I don't have to worry, I don't have to use my dollars to buy, but I have enough storage for use in the house. Washing, bathing, for the toilets. Water is life. What do you think? Comment below. Talk to me about water, how you harvest your water. And if you harvest, what do you usually do with your water that you harvest? Do you harvest in your towns, in your countries, in your states? Do you harvest water? And how do you harvest? Let us talk. Let us educate each other. You know, sometimes I say that is why YouTube came, that we educate each other. Some of the things. Like I know there are countries where they don't lack water, or there is no rationing from the government. So as when it's rationed a day or two, yeah, because in a week we get water thrice a week. So you see the reason I have to harvest water, and when there is no rain, we have now to buy. There are water vendors, quite exorbitant, because now they have also they carry the water in their bicycles, 20-liter jerrycans. They come to sell to us. So that's why we take advantage of the rain. We harvest the water. We get to store a lot. But when it is in the dry seasons, like when there are no rains, you know, there are those months when there is no rain, like completely. We go to about 3-4 months without rain. It's really difficult, and now we have to do with the water vendors, and them now take advantage. They hike the prices. So if you don't have the money, it becomes a bit difficult. But again, if you can go carry in your bags or carry in your heads, because here in Africa or here in Kenya, there are women who carry water in their bags, some in their heads, a jerrycan of 20 liters. They carry to their homes. Now if it is far from where they are sourcing the water from, you have now to buy. Now that is where the water vendors take advantage. They sell the water so exorbitantly, and if you don't have money, it's quite difficult. That's why we take advantage of the rain. Yeah, it's quite difficult. It's a challenging situation, but we manage, because what do you do at the end of the day? You have to manage however you can. It's about to stop raining, as you can see. My tank, I thank God it is almost full. Actually it is full, but watching the water from the gutters, the rainwater falling into my drum, it's an amazing experience which I had to share with you, my viewers, my subscribers, because you've become a family. We have to show you some of these things. Write in the comment section how you harvest your waters, your rain waters, if you do. If you do it in your countries and how you do it. Look at how it's about to stop. The rain is about to stop. I'm waiting until it stops completely because it is an amazing, awesome experience. Just watching the rainwater dropping straight to my tank. This is actually a 10,000 liters tank. I think it carries 25 jerrycan waters of 20 liters each. Yeah, I once measured. I wanted to know how many jerrycans of 20 liters can go in there. And so I remember 20 of them went in there. And so to me it's a big tank, though I would love to have the bigger one, the one you store water for like 3 months, because it's there, but it's a bit expensive. The last I checked, being sold at $800. Yeah, 800, almost $1,000. That's quite high for me, but soon I'm working on getting one because I know there are times we go without water for months, and this idea of rationing water sometimes ache me. It gets so irritating, particularly when you have guests, when you have much washing and there is no water. Yeah, sometimes it's boring. You get so irritated. Still raining. It's still raining. Beautiful feeling. Therapeutic. Just seeing these raindrops falling. Look at that. Such a beautiful feeling. I don't want my phone to fall in the water. I think it's already full. but there is a, I think it's already full. It's only that I'm having fun watching the raindrops. It's an amazing feeling. I hope you can feel the same. Then I'll cover it. It has a lid, and I'll cover it as soon as the rain stops for proper storage. And also, I don't want some dirt in my water. Though it's only used for washing toilets, I don't want it to get dirty through dust. Around here, some nearness to the road. I'll have to cover it. How do you see this beautiful experience? And because my tank is full, I think I'll have to end my video there. I'll have to end my video there. I'll end my video there of my water harvesting. Because it is still raining, though I've kept myself warm as I shot my video. I have to end my video there, asking you to subscribe, watch every upload, watch till the end, comment, share, like. I want to thank my subscribers. Until next time, bye and thank you. Yeah, thank you guys. I love you. Thank you.